going to the court today. This guy take me there, so my bar is on his property, which is only 15 feet from the road to the ocean. What the owner tell me when we purchased that piece across, and nobody can own it. But yet he end up owns it. I don't know how. So today we are here to find out. Definitely. Yeah, it was good today. Work out good. Cause my lawyer don't even did appear in the courtroom. The other lawyer just go and talk with him, and he tell her that he's attending a big case at the moment, so he have to put off the case until the 26th of May, which that's nice. That give me more time to know what I'm up to. Yeah, and that's cool. And here we are now driving home from that courthouse. Man, I hate that place. Rasta don't business there. Yeah, it's not our business there. But we have to go there while you have to go. That's why we go. Yeah, man.